guys this amazing, super easy, super quick Valentine's Day makeup look. I've been seeing everybody do makeup looks on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, and I was like, okay, this year I'm going to do a makeup look. I chose to do something super simple but super cute, as you can see. Guys, if you are interested, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, thumbs up this video, and let's go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. So, I already did my eyebrows, primed my face with my foundation and concealer and contour. So next it's left to do is go ahead and prime my eyelids and get ready for eyeshadow. So I don't necessarily have a primer, so what I'm going to use in the meantime, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid here. And I'm just going to prime, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just buff this out. Kind of put it all over my eyelid. I really gotta go and like find me a really good primer. I just haven't found like the perfect primer that I like. So I kind of tend to use the LA Girl Pro to prime my eyelids and everything, and it's worked so far, but eventually your girl will go and find her actual primer. So if y'all have some ideas of some good primers, leave them down below in the comments for me and I will check it out. So now that my eyes are good and primed, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Queen palette. I've used this palette a couple times and I absolutely love the colors. I'm gonna be going in with this red shade here. It's like between a pinkish red shade. I'm gonna be using a Morphe M433 blending brush. It looks just like this. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna pack it in the corner of my eye and kind of blend it out towards the other end of my eyelids as I go. So I like to grab a little bit and I like to tap the excess off. I'm really going for like a nice red color. I just feel like doing like a nice little red color. I feel like everybody does pink for Valentine's Day, and I kind of want to switch it up and do some type of red look. Okay, now that I've packed that in, I'm gonna go in with another brush and I'm kind of gonna use that to like blend it out a little bit, and I'm gonna go up a little bit with it. So I'm just gonna use this brush to blend it out a little bit into my creases. And I'm kind of just gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I had and just pack that on some more. Like I said, I want it to be red, I want it to be seen. Okay, now that I have that all blended out, I think I'm gonna take this color here. It's called Glam. It's like this rose color, like it's like really pretty. It's actually really, really pretty. I'm gonna use this color here, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of my eyelid here. So I'm gonna go in with another brush. This is actually just a brush that I picked up from a store called Daiso, and it's really affordable. I think this is only like $1, and this brush really, really, really works very well. Like, look at that. It goes perfect with the red color I got going on. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow part, I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna put on some lashes really quick, and then we're gonna move on to the fun part, recreating the heart. Okay, now that I have my lashes on, it is time for the fun part. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out Cream Blush. This stuff goes on really good and really, really, really smooth. The color is really, really pretty. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of that to my nose area. I'm just going to tip of my nose with it. I'm gonna move on to drawing my hearts. I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever dupe. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like under 12 bucks. This right here, it works very well. Obviously, I'm gonna be dipping into this red right here. And I'm also gonna be taking a small brush, like a little teeny weeny little brush. I actually have two of them, but I think I'm gonna use this one. You can find these brushes anywhere. It doesn't have to be a specific brand or anything like that. This right here is an Amazon brand, and that is what I'm going to be using to start my hearts. I'm going to go ahead and dip into my red here, and I'm going to begin drawing my red hearts. I don't know exactly where I want to go, but I think I want to do one here. So I'm going to start here in this area. Start a heart right here. hard. Nothing is perfect. So if you mess up, don't really panic. There's
Because
really
there's
no
really
way
no way
to do this. So
I know that when I watch
doing this look. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my white hearts. I'm gonna use a tad bit smaller. And bam, that's it. I'm just gonna do those everywhere. Now that I'm all done with my hearts, I am gonna go in with a red lipstick. I'm using the Katy Perry lipstick, Kiss of Life by Rainbow. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video for you. This was super quick and super fun. Make sure you give your girl a thumbs up on this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this look. And yes, follow me on Instagram at LaShondacapri. I will leave it right here on the screen as always. Again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video and turn on the post notification bell so you're not missing any videos from me. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. And until next time, like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video.